So doing a little recap, we've got the frame all cleaned up, got the airbox and subframe clean. Wiring harness is clean, and we're ready to start putting it all back together. Sadie the garage dog is helping this evening. You gonna help, Sadie? Are you a good garage dog? Wag your tail if you're a good garage dog. Oh, look at her. What a good girl. The frame and the airbox is looking pretty good. It's still not perfect, but a lot better than it was. And the wiring harness looks pretty good, all cleaned up. Got all the grime and grit off of it that I could. Let's see if we can get that back on. Hopefully can remember where everything went. Okay, so I have cleaned this stuff here. This ECU, the ECU holder, this frame guard, and the bar pad cover. I was getting ready to start putting everything back together and realized this stuff was all still filthy dirty, so I had to clean it up good. And now we have Bodog in the garage. I think Bodog. So I'm gonna try to drop all this stuff down through here. It's crooked. Now, should be able to, if I did this correctly, sheesh. Oh my gosh. Let's see, that's ECU. Stuff goes down there. That goes to the fuel tank. And this goes in here for the battery. That goes up there. Okay. These, I don't know where those go yet. Figure it out here in a minute. Ah, goes like that. Oh yes, I remember now. This has a slot in it. So take this screw out. Gotta put the battery in. My original battery died on this thing, so I recently upgraded to this OEM replacement Skyrich. I think it just sits down in there. In. I can put the, I guess this is a heat sink. Put this back on maybe. All right, that's a start. Now, lots of other stuff to connect. Probably goes there. Okay, got the spark plug wire back in. Got this mess to deal with. All right, so I've got the subframe back on. Wiring harness has started to come back together. And got a ways to go with the wiring harness. Gonna have to consult my video that I made before I took it all off. I think I have the major components back on. That's all for now.